What's up, guys? I'm Justin DiGiulio. This is Adam Mafuda. We have some exciting news for you. DiGiulio Group is merging with Oxford Property Group. It's a great move, very strategic move for our agents. You have access to this incredible rooftop among many additional resources. Adam?
Hey guys, how you doing? As Justin mentioned, my name's Adam Mafuda. I'm the CEO and owner of Oxford. I'm really excited to be meeting all of you. At Oxford, we have over 800 agents now. We've spent a ton of money on building out technology, so you'll have your own proprietary CRM, deal management systems. We have a huge accounting team that gets checks processed really quickly. We spent over $1 million on Street Easy ads last year. We're going to be doing a lot more in terms of lead generation to try to help everybody. Really nothing for you is going to change. We're always in the business of making sure our agents are happy and well-tooled. In addition, a lot of sales training. We have a huge staff here that can help you guys with pretty much everything.
With additional resources, this is really a springboard for our current agents and the ability to onboard more agents, help them grow and build their career. I'm excited. I know Adam's excited. We hope you're excited. Ready?
Justin, yep.
Let's go.
Happy to have you back.